The submandibular gland, or submaxillary gland, is a compound, branched, tubuloacinar mixed gland, and so has a substantial proportion of both mucus and serous secretory cells. The connective tissue septi, dividing the gland into lobules of various sizes, is obvious. Mucus-secreting cells are pale stained, with each of their nuclei flattened against the cell base. They're closely related to the goblet cell. The serous-secreting cells would normally stain intensely with hematoxylin in their basal regions. But I think here the cells are so packed with eosinophilic secretory granules, this basophilia is hidden. As you now recall, their basophilia suggests vast quantities of granular endoplasmic reticulum and ribosomes, and indeed this cell type makes enzymes for export in a watery secretion. Small groups of serous cells frequently cap the ends of mucus acini. You can see some here, and again here. These half-moon-like figures are called serous demilunes. But this morphological appearance is a consequence of a processing artifact using routine tissue fixation methods. The submandibular gland has both striated and intercalated ducts, although most of the intralobular duct system is made up of the striated variety. Short segments of intercalated ducts run into the striated ducts. The large number of obvious ducts is one way to distinguish sections of the submandibular gland from other compound glands of the body. Interlobular ducts are very nicely preserved here, and you can see some cases of the elusive stratified columnar epithelium and stratified cuboidal epithelium. And as I mentioned earlier, the submandibular or submaxillary gland is tubulo-alveolar in form. This is why the secretory units look a bit messy. Most of all serous secretory units are spherical acini, but many of the mucus units are branching tubular, with a swollen acinus or alveolus at the end. Actually, most compound glands are tubuloacinar, with the parotid salivary gland and the pancreas being exceptions.